Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the vlog. You're watching HQ Garage. Today we received a special package from Flash Shark Auto Parts. They reached out to me on Instagram and asked if I would do a review on one of their products that they sell on their website. So today we're going to open up, find out what they sent me, and see what we're going to review today. And I'm going to share it along with you guys. The one thing they did want me to share with all of you guys is, for all of you that are watching this video, Flash Shark has given me a discount code. It can save you 15%. Flash Shark. I'll put the discount code right here. Just put in Flash Shark. It'll save you 15% all of your order. But let's get this package opened and see what they sent us. Okay, let's take a look. Alright, EJ's supercar, 8 million, so I am guessing it's going to be some kind of lighting. LED flashlights. This is actually underglow for your car. Very cool. So we got some zip ties. We've got power cord. We got some wiring. And we have some LED strips. I gotta say, these are pretty dang nice. They are very similar to another company that we work with. There's definitely a lot of LEDs in there. So we got, looks like 4 strips with some wiring. And a QR code to download an app. Let's download the app and then we will get these tested out, and we'll actually use the same MicroStart XB10 battery booster that we've used on all of our underglow lights before with this connector. So let's get this connected up. I don't know why every time it never fails. Every time I'm using this tinfoil tape, I always cut myself. This stuff is super sharp. Just maybe wear gloves. Be cautious if you're going to be using this tape. Okay, I scanned the QR code and we are just downloading the app. We will get it connected. Okay, let's plug this back in. You got a whole bunch of different settings that you can choose from. You can change the speed. Very, very similar to XK Glow and 1UP lighting. And you can put it with music. Pretty cool. Not gonna lie. Quite a good product, actually. Not gonna lie. Seems like a pretty solid product. Well built. Looks like it would definitely stand up to the elements. The lights are very responsive. The colors, obviously I'm in the well lit garage, but you can see that it's lighting up pretty nice. Here I turned off the lights, so now we can see dim, bright. That's a pretty cool feature. I haven't seen the adjustability on the brightness on any of the other ones yet. I kind of really like this I kind of like this. That's pretty cool. That would look pretty sharp at a car show when it's underneath your car. I know I've said it quite a bit. It seems like a very, very solid built product. They look very weather resistant, built well, and overly impressive. Now, the biggest reason that I keep saying that it's quite impressive is I went to their website, and to buy this same kit online, are you guys ready for this? This is probably the cheapest underglow kit that I've ever seen. And the quality for the price is unbelievable. You guys are probably sick of me saying it, but to buy this from Flash Shark Auto Parts is $49.99. It's regularly $76.55. Even the original price is better than any other company that I've seen online. For $50, that is an absolutely screaming deal. Now, remember, that's $49.99, and if you use the discount code FlashShark, then you're gonna save another 15% on top of that. You can't beat that. If you want underglow on your car, I would highly recommend getting this kit. Go on to their website right now. Links in description. I'll put the discount code in the description below. But you want to buy your friend a really cool Christmas present, I would recommend this. If you've been thinking about doing underglow in your car, now's the time. You cannot beat this price. $50. And when they shipped it to me, I got an email from them that a package had been sent. 2 days later, it was at my doorstep. Shipping, communication, everything has been phenomenal, and the product has been incredible as well. You can go and follow them on Instagram. I'll put their links down below. I'm not being paid. There's no affiliate marketing. They just sent me a product to review and test, and in my opinion, very good product. I am definitely going to be putting this on one of my cars. I'll do an installation video very soon, but top notch for the price, the build quality. You can't beat it. If you want underglow, now's the time to act. Go check out Flash Shark Auto Parts. They carry an assortment of tons of auto parts. Go check out their websites. Links down below. Make sure you use the discount code FlashShark to save yourself 15%. I just wanted to share this product with you guys and show you the best deal out there for underglow for your car. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. A little short, but just a really quick review video and the best price possible. Peace.